your files. Yes, my dear friends, if you want to reinstall your Windows 10 or recover your Windows 10 or reset your PC, then for that you just need three steps to reset. And in this reset, you don't need to remove all of your personal files and documents. This reset setting that I will going to tell you will help you to keep your documents and files safe and recovery will done successfully. So for that you just need to type here reset option, then click on that this reset this PC. Then after clicking on here you will find a option get started. So click on that, then keep my files. It will start soon. Then if you have a DVD or cloud download, you can go through it. But I will recommend you to click on this local reinstall. It will reinstall your Windows that is already installed on your PC. So for this, click on this local reinstall, then get next, and it will take some time to proceed. This will help you to keep your personal files and documents safe that are not going to delete and all over all the unnecessary data like the malware files like the Trojan files that are slow down your PC will be removed, and the documents the apps you already installed that are going to delete. It will remove all the files, not all the apps, unnecessary apps from your device. So it will take some time. Just wait. Now you will find this option. Let's see. Ready to reset your PC. Change setting back to their default and keep your personal file. Reinstall Windows from this device. Remove all app and program that did not come with this PC. So if you want to reset this, just click on reset. That will automatically reset your PC without deleting your personal files. So keep going on this option. I don't need to reset it. I will cancel it. So friends, by this way you can reset your PC without deleting your personal files. So go through it and make your PC faster and smoother. So thank you for watching this video.